Remove temporary Instagram messages. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to disable disappearing messages on Instagram. Enjoy videos like this? Check out other related videos on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Follow my Instagram, Paiva Info, for more useful tips. You're welcome to join and engage on my Instagram. To disable disappearing messages, tap the home icon, then Messages. Choose a contact with active disappearing messages. Scroll down, tap, and swipe up until you see this option below. Swipe up to disable temporary modes. Swipe up and hold until the timer runs out. Timer's done, and we've exited Instagram's temporary message mode. Did you manage it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless.